Question number 33, we have square root of a plus square root of 8a all squared equal to 54 plus b root 2. A and b are positive integers. Find the value of a and the value of b. In solving questions like this, what we need to do is to compare both sides of the equation, but we need to simplify one side to conform to the order of the second side. So we need to simplify this side of the equation so that it conforms to this. Then we find the value of a and b. So the left hand side of the equation, we have square root of a plus square root of 8a, all of this all squared. Now in expanding this, there's a shortcut to it. You take the square of the first term, that's number one, the square of the first term, then you multiply every single value you can see here. That's 2 multiplied by square root of a multiplied by square root of 8a. Then lastly, that will be our middle term. Then lastly, you take the square of the last term. Square of first term, multiply every single thing you see here, then the square of the last term. That's how you simplify the square of a binomial expression. So the square of the square root of a is a. Then plus, we multiply this by this by this. That's 2 times root a. That's 2 root a multiplied by root 8a. Then lastly, what do? We take the square of the last term, the second term, which is square root of root a. And when we take the square root of root a, we'll be left with a. I hope we understand this step. Then what do we do next? We collect like terms. A plus 8a will give us 9a. Then plus, we can multiply this by this. So we have 2 into 8a squared. This is still we trying to simplify this side. Then equal to 9a. Now the square root of a squared is a. So that will go out of the radical of the square root. Then we'll be left with 2 into square root of 8. Then a outside, because this square root cancels the square. Now this can be expressed in its simplest form. This is a surd. So this can be 4 times 2. And the square root of 4 is 2. So we'll be left with root 2 here. We are doing this because we want it to conform to this. We having just root 2 left. So we have 9a, that 2, like this is 8 is the same as 4 times 2, right? Then the square root of 4 is 2. Now we have root 2. We don't have a whole number answer to this. So this 2 that is outside, we multiply this 2, and we have 4 root 2a. So we now use this, we compare it to the right hand side. So 9a equal to 9a plus 4 root 2a equal to 54 plus b root 2. I'll first of all compare 9a and 54. So 9a, to get the value of a, equal to 54. You see they are looking alike. So definitely 9a will be equal to 54, and 4 root 2a will be equal to b root 2. So to get the value of a, we divide both sides by 9, and a will be equal to 54 divided by 9, which is 6. Then to get the value of b, what will we compare this and this? So 4 root 2. But now we have the value of a as 6. So multiply by 6 equal to b root 2. Now 6 multiplied by 4 will give us 24. So 24 root 2 equal to b root 2. From here, root 2 root 2, B 24. This tells us that the value of B is equal to 24. When we compare these two terms, because they are equal, therefore B must be equal to 24. So say therefore the value of A is 6 and value of B is 24. So A equal to 6, B equal to 24. I hope we do understand. Thank you.